The 2025 BMW M3 is the latest evolution of one of the most iconic performance sedans ever built. This newest iteration refines the M3 formula, blending power, technology, and luxury in a way that sets a new benchmark for the sports sedan segment. BMW has managed to push the envelope yet again, offering a vehicle that excites purists while integrating cutting-edge advancements to stay ahead of the competition. At the heart of the 2025 BMW M3 lies an upgraded 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine. This S58 power plant now delivers an even more exhilarating performance, pushing out 518 horsepower in the competition variant, an increase over its predecessor. Torque figures have also seen an uptick, ensuring blistering acceleration and instant throttle response. The M3 remains available with rear-wheel drive for those who crave traditional driving dynamics, but BMW continues to offer its xDrive all-wheel drive system for those seeking enhanced grip and control. The standard version comes with a 6-speed manual transmission, a rarity in modern performance cars, making it a dream for enthusiasts who love the connection between driver and machine. For those who prefer a more effortless experience, the 8-speed automatic transmission provides razor-sharp shifts and optimized performance. The exterior design of the 2025 BMW M3 remains aggressive, showcasing the signature large kidney grills, aerodynamic enhancements, and a stance that exudes confidence. The front fascia is sharper than before, with redesigned LED headlights that incorporate BMW's latest laser light technology. The hood's sculpted lines flow seamlessly into widened fenders, giving the M3 a muscular yet elegant presence. The rear features an updated bumper design, quad exhaust tips, and an optional carbon fiber spoiler that enhances aerodynamics. BMW also introduces new paint options for 2025, including vibrant hues that pay homage to the brand's racing heritage. Stepping inside, the cabin is a blend of luxury and race-inspired details. The latest iteration of BMW's iDrive infotainment system, now running version 9.0, is displayed on a curved digital dashboard that seamlessly integrates a 14.9-inch touchscreen with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. This setup offers crisp graphics, a customizable interface, and an intuitive user experience. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with an enhanced voice assistant that understands natural language commands. The M-specific HUD head-up display projects essential performance data onto the windshield, allowing drivers to stay focused on the road ahead. The seats are a testament to BMW's commitment to both comfort and performance. The standard M Sport seats provide excellent bolstering and support, while optional carbon fiber bucket seats reduce weight and enhance the car's track-ready nature. High-quality materials such as merino leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber trims adorn the cabin, creating an environment that is both luxurious and functional. The ambient lighting system is now more customizable, allowing drivers to tailor the mood of the interior with an expanded range of colors and effects. Performance is where the 2025 M3 truly shines. BMW has fine-tuned the chassis, suspension, and steering to deliver an even sharper driving experience. The adaptive M suspension continuously adjusts damping based on road conditions and driving style, ensuring both comfort and precision. The M3's steering response is razor-sharp, providing excellent feedback and confidence through corners. The M Dynamic mode allows for a controlled amount of wheel slip, giving drivers the ability to push the limits while still maintaining a safety net. The optional carbon ceramic brakes provide fade-free stopping power, crucial for both spirited driving and track use. BMW has also enhanced the M3's technology suite, with an array of advanced driver assistance systems. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera system. The improved Parking Assistant Plus makes maneuvering in tight spaces effortless, while the new Highway Assistant enables hands-free driving on certain roads, using sensors and cameras to monitor the surroundings. These additions make the M3 not just a high-performance machine, but also a capable and convenient daily driver. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 BMW M3 is its expanded customization options. BMW's individual program allows buyers to create a truly bespoke vehicle, offering exclusive paint colors, interior trims, and even performance-enhancing options such as a track-focused suspension package. The M3 can be tailored to suit a wide range of preferences, whether an owner prioritizes luxury, performance, or a balance of both. Despite the advancements in technology and performance, BMW remains committed to the emotional driving experience that has defined the M3.